Sneaker world, internets, this is the Drip Injector where the flavor selective and always with that South Carolina perspective. Y'all see the shoe boxes I got here. My boy Seven, he allowed me to bring these to y'all to review them. So if there's a shoe that you cannot hit, my boy Seven can get. Let's get into the sneakers. Man, y'all see the boxes. It's not the typical sale box that we got for 2023. These are pull-out boxes. So let's start with the first pair and let's break down exactly what we have in each box. Ooh, this is the pair I actually wanted, y'all. I'm glad this is the first one to come out the box. Let's take a look. So y'all, this is the red colorway. As y'all can see, the details is absolutely amazing. Y'all see the inner lining is definitely deconstructed. That's where you get the Decon name from. All the stitching, everything is stitched and perfection. There is no factory flaws anywhere on these. This shoe is absolutely beautiful. The outsole is translucent. Y'all already know I'm a sucker for the translucent outsoles. Y'all, this shoe is absolutely beautiful. Thin tongue, and it has that exposed foam, almost like a off-white. Man, this shoe right here is definitely built to honor the indigenous people, aka the Native Americans, and you can see by all the patterns. We got canvas. We have like a, I don't even know if this is a suede. Y'all, it's so many different use of material. Y'all see the patch is definitely like a suede. It's like a sail and white color combination. A lot of people was telling me that the black pair is their favorite, but I haven't seen that pair yet. This pair right here, until I see the black one, hands down is my favorite. And the good thing about it is resale is not too crazy. So everybody that missed your pairs, we still might have a chance to secure. I'm not even gonna lie, seeing this black pair in hand, this might be the best pair out of the two. I mean, that green just absolutely pops. We have like birds, we have flowers, and everything is stitched in. I don't even know if this is coming through good for y'all, but that material around the toe box, man, I don't even know how to explain it, y'all. And that red hit on the Nike tab looks absolutely amazing. We have that N7 in the back, stitched in. Y'all, this shoe right here is the one. Translucent outsole. I will say, this deconstructed look is not for everybody, especially people that truly like Nike SBs from back in the day. They always had like a more cushioning, a fatter tongue, but from all my skate homies, they actually like the thinner tongue. So I'm not sure if people actually gonna skate in these or not. This to me is more of a collectible, but it has the extra stitching around the toe box. So I'm not sure if that would actually like pop during skating. I don't know which one I like more, like, cause I'm a red guy personally, but the colors is undeniable on this black and white pair, y'all. So until the next episode, peace and love.